Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to launch RoboCop Rogue City game from Xbox app, or if you're unable to launch it from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. Now for this, go to Xbox app, click on the game and then see install, then click on three dots over here, go to manage and then go to files, click on browse and open the game folder over here, content folder, and over here you can see game launcher helper. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and the game should launch. So here you can see the game is launching. So let me close the game, and you can even open this game binaries when go back, check if there are any other exe file, engine folder, binaries, okay. And here you can see, but I don't think this will help you to launch the game. So you can launch the game using this game launcher helper, and then you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to run gaming services repair tool. Now for this, you can go to Xbox app. At the top left here, you can see a profile icon, click on it, click on support and click on gaming services repair tool, and then click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to unplug all the external devices which you are not using. So if you have any kind of extra, like additional USB adapter connected to the computer which you are not using, disconnected. If you have HOTAs, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter, any kind of extra controller, sometimes we have extra controller connected, disconnected. If you have any kind of virtual controller connected, disable it or uninstall it. Disconnect multiple monitors. So try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party application or services running, close it. Close all the overlay application. Like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. If you have NVIDIA app running, go to NVIDIA app settings and then turn off NVIDIA overlay, and close all the overlay application and then launch the game. Set overclocking to default. So if you have overclocked, set it to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, any kind of overclocking application running, close it. Also, you can try to close online storage application like Google Drive, OneDrive, any kind of online storage service, you can close it. If you're using OneDrive, you can just make sure that you're logged in. Perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab, put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. Make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on disable all, then hit apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option. Restart your computer and then you can launch the game. Also, if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Now, the next step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So copy this link. You can go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card. In the list, select your operating system. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on find. And then on this screen, the latest one will be at the top, GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest driver right now. Whichever is the latest, click on view, and then you can download this file. Click on download, and once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. So run the exe file once the download is complete. Click on yes to allow. Click on OK and let this complete. Now click on agree and continue, and then select custom option over here and then click on next. Then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then check. Now still not working. The next step is to, now for AMD users, you can uninstall the current graphic card driver, restart your computer, go to AMD website, select your graphic card, install the latest graphic card driver, and then restart your computer. Next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings over here. And then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. Not add desktop app, click on add Microsoft Store app. I'm sorry. And then you have to find the game in the list. Now once you find the game, select the game over here. You can see RoboCop. Click on the game, and once the game is added, scroll down and find the game in the list. Once you find the game, click on it, and then over here GPU preference, set it to high performance. Now you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to verify or repair the game. Now to verify or repair the game, you can just click on these three dots over here and then manage, go to files and then click on verify and repair and click on yes to allow. Now let the repair complete. The repair process will take some time. Now once the repair is complete, you can launch the game and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to create desktop shortcut and launch the game as an administrator using desktop shortcut. Again, click on these three dots, manage, create desktop shortcut. Now go to desktop. You will see the game shortcut over here somewhere. RoboCop. Where is the shortcut? Let me try it once again. I don't see the shortcut. Now let me check. Yeah, so here is the shortcut. Make a right click on the shortcut and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then you can check. So the game is launching. So you can try this. Still not working. I'm just closing the game. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset the game. To repair or reset the game, you can click on these three dots. No, not the three dots. Type in, go to settings, Windows settings, and then go to apps and then go to install apps and find the game in the list, or you can simply write down the name of the game and then click on these three dots, advanced option, scroll down, click on repair over here. And once the repair is done, now launch the game. If that does not work, click on reset, and after the reset you can go to Xbox app and then launch the game. Now after the reset, if you see the install button, instead of play, if you see install button, you can quit Xbox app. Make a right click, quit Xbox app, launch Xbox app once again, and then you should be able to see the play option. Now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. And over here you can see Visual Studio files. You have to download this x86 and x64 version. Download both the files. Click on it and then run the exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Download this x64 file as well. Now once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer and then you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to update the system BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number and then update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to the computer when you update the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, check. Next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache file. Now for this, you can go to this location. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open AppData folder, local folder, and find packages folder, and then find Microsoft Windows Store. Here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete this. Now you have to relaunch Xbox app, and then you have to launch the game once again. You can try launching the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to log in with same account on Xbox app and with same account on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer, and then at the top right you will see your profile icon. You have to click on your profile icon. So in my case, I'm not logged in right now. So if you're logged in, you have to log out from, let me show you. So you have to click on your profile icon and then click on sign out and then click on sign in. You have to select this account which has the game pass, which has the game. You have to select the right account and then enter your PIN or password over here. Once logged in, go to Xbox app. At the top left, click on your profile icon, click on sign out and then click on sign in. Select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store. Use the same account, log in with same account. And then once done, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to also make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically is on. Also make sure set time automatically is also on. Then click on sync now. Sync now is important. And then go to time and language, go to language and region and then select your country and then check. Next step is to install updates in Microsoft Store. Now for this you can open Microsoft Store, go to download option at the bottom left and then click on check for update. Once you click on check for update, if you see update all option, hit update all, and once everything is updated over here, now you can launch the game. Next step is to update Windows. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update in Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to run WS reset command. So type in WS reset in Windows search box and then click on WS reset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can launch the game. Next step is to repair or reset Xbox app and store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click and then click on app settings. And over here you will see the repair option for Xbox app. Click on repair. After the repair, launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even perform reset. And once the reset is done, open Xbox app once again and then launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time, and during this process you will see errors in red color. Just ignore it, let the process complete. Once everything is red, now you can launch Xbox app or store and then you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start all these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Find Xbox services. Do the same thing for Xbox services. So make a double click on each Xbox services, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Do the same thing with all the automatic, apply, start, click on OK. Automatic, apply, click on start, click on OK. Automatic, apply, start, OK. Find Windows Update, set this to automatic, and then apply. Click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. Find gaming services, make sure gaming services are running over here. If not running, make a right click, click on Start or Restart. Make a right click, click on Start or Restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now you have to relaunch Xbox app and then check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Again, make sure you run it as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the Enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it on the same window and then hit the Enter key. This will open Microsoft Store. You will see Install button or Get option to install gaming services. Click on Yes to allow and let the gaming services install. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working, install this Xbox identity provider. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download over here and then click on download. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. If in my case this is already installed. In your case, if you see get option or install option, install it and then relaunch Xbox app and then you can check. Now you can launch the game and then check. Now it's still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive. So if nothing is working, first of all, you can try to uninstall it. Just uninstall the game and then reinstall the game and then check. If that does not work, you can change the drive. Like you can go to Windows settings, system, storage, advanced storage settings, where new content is saved. If this is set to C drive, if you have any other drive, you can try D drive or E drive. Select D drive or E drive, save it and then reinstall the game and then check. If the game is already installed to different drive, then select C drive, save it and then try to install the game once again and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to launch this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.